welcome back to MJ in the Kitchen, and I'm Mary Jane. My mom's from the Philippines and I was born there, so today we're going to make a family favorite, pancit bihon. Let's get started. As I said earlier, we're going to make pancit bihon today. It's called bihon because of the type of noodles. Here is the package that we're going to use today, and it says rice stick noodles right on the package. We'll probably use about half of it in our prep today. Later I'll show you what we'll need to do with those, but we're going to start with the vegetables. So we'll start with a half a cabbage. And you just want to slice them thin. And then what I like to do when I'm done with cutting it is just slip it sideways and cut it in half. And that's it. A couple cloves of garlic. Next we'll do ginger. Next up is celery. And then we'll take half an onion and slice it. The only other things that I like to add to mine are carrots and green beans. I usually buy the carrots already cut up like this, just makes it faster and easier, and then some type of green bean. And then before serving, my family likes to use calamansi. They're a little Filipino fruit. They smell like oranges, but they taste more like lemons. We have a tree in my mom's front yard, so we just pick them off the tree, or you can get them at the Asian market. But no worries, if you don't have those, you can always just use lemon. Just like there's several different noodles that you can use in pancit, there's also several different meats. You can use shrimp, pork, or chicken, and today we're going to use chicken. So today we're going to use chicken thighs, and as you can see, I've trimmed off some of the fat already. We're just going to do a rough cut, bite-sized pieces, and if you're wondering why I'm using thighs instead of breast, I think that they have more flavor. So next we're going to cook the chicken. I'm going to use a wok, but you don't have to. Any large pot like a Dutch oven will do, and when we add the noodles later, you'll see that you need the room. Just a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. This part shouldn't take too long, but you want to make sure that the chicken is cooked all the way. Alright, the chicken's done. We're going to remove it from the wok and cook the vegetables next. So we're going to add a little oil to the wok, and we're going to saute the ginger, the onions, and the garlic for just a minute before we add the rest of the vegetables. Now the onions are ready, we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. We have celery, carrots, and the cabbage. And it looks like a lot of cabbage, but it'll cook down. Give it a good stir, and then add the sauce. It's soy sauce and sesame oil. Alright, we've let the vegetables cook. I'm going to add the chicken back in, and then I like to wait until this point to add the beans so that way they don't get overcooked and still have a crunch. We're going to take the wok off the heat while we prep the noodles. So we're going to soak the pancit noodles in hot water for about 5 minutes. This is a half a package, and you can see they're in sheets. They're a little bit messy, they kind of get everywhere, but you just want to have enough water to cover them. Let those sit, we'll turn them over and drain them. So we've drained the noodles, and we've turned the heat back up on the wok to get the temperature back to warm. We're going to pour the noodles in and add pepper and the calamansi and give it a good toss. You don't want to stir it too much because they'll break down pretty easy. Here's the finished dish. Let's try it. That's yummy. The recipe and all the measurements are going to be in the description below. Be sure to like and share the video, and also don't forget to comment below and let us know how much your family enjoyed the recipe. Thank you. Have a lovely day.